Ladies and gentlemen, the time is funk o'clock. It's finally our time to break free from the ordinary, to shun the rules of society, to be who we want to be and to do what we want to do. So chuck off that boring dress code and bring out the crazy, funky, perky you.
Hi, this is Bhavya.
Hi, this is Payal.
And we are super excited to present our collection, Funk O'Clock.
So basically, our collection is all about expressing yourself through bold, colorful and funky pop styles.
In our circularity concept, we have upcycled old discarded white bedsheets along with surplus school uniform fabrics and old discarded mesh, and we have converted them into something very exciting by adding a splash of color into them by various dyeing techniques and giving life to these old, dull fabrics.
So here is a shout out to bring the crazy inside you and break the ordinary rules and chuck off that boring dress code. So guys, let's get it on!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to rock around the clock with Funk O'Clock.
Come to the bed.